The nuthatch has been there with that little pea in its mouth for like 3 minutes, frozen. I've seen this before. I don't know, maybe a bird expert would know. I got a little squirrel down there. Maybe that will, it just stays there, frozen like. Doesn't move. But it's alive. It will move, but I've seen this before. I don't quite get it. When the squirrel goes up there, I'm sure a little peanut in its mouth. Frozen. It doesn't move. Absolutely motionless. Just sitting there with a little peanut in its mouth. I broke some peanuts and I put them up there. They're almost up. It's starting to move. Now it twisted its head. Twisted its head a little bit. I mean, I don't want to cause it to move. I want to see what it's doing. Like, is it going to move on its own? I don't think I'm getting this too well. It's up. It's moving its head now. It's been like 5 minutes, literally. Okay. And now it's acting normal. It's acting normal now. Except it usually takes one and flies away, so it's being more of a vacuum cleaner here. Sorry for the quality of this, the lack of quality. Okay.